welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. So the first college is BSB Engineering College, Karur, BSB College of Engineering, Coimbatore. They having openings for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for agricultural engineering, biomedical, biotech, chemical, CSE and IT. They will provide you the salary of 21,600 to 19,000 as per experience and your credibility. High salary for deserving candidate. About this college, it is 20-year-olds with NAC accreditation and ISO certification. It is one of the most preferred college by the student in the state. Jal Shakti award this college has got. So what you have to do, you have to apply within 10 days to the secretary by post or email email your resume on jobs@bsbec.com. Selected candidate may have to join immediately or next academic year. Next college is Rajdhani College of Engineering and Management. In short, it is also called as RCEM. They are having openings for professor and assistant professor for MBA specialization like finance, HR and marketing. If you have 60% marks in MBA and PGDM, having teaching and research experience can apply here. PhD holder will be given preference. Second is research associate. Any candidate, a fresh candidate with MBA or PGDM or PG in related subject with 60% marks in concerned subject having interest in teaching and research, they can apply. Account assistance, if any graduate having tally experience, then can apply. Male candidate will be preferred. For telecaller, fresh candidate graduate may apply. So how you have to apply? You have to send your biodata or CV with photo on rcemodisa@gmail.com within 15 days. Next college is uh, BIMTech, Birla Institute of Management Technology, Category 1 Business School, accredited by NBA and NAC with A+ grade. So they are having invitation to apply for faculty position for assistant professor, associate professor and adjunct faculty. First is for finance. In that there are various specialization like finance accounting, machine learning and AI, fintech, data science, cryptocurrency and smart contract, corporate finance, wealth management and derivatives. Second, marketing, for martech or marketing analyst or B2B marketing or sales and distribution management, CRM, retail management, and third, business communication, online communication. Remuneration for regular faculty as per ICT pay scale 7th pay commission, and for research track faculty 12 lakh to 15 lakh per annum. For both category, health insurance for some assured 8 lakh and interest free home and vehicle loan facility up to 15 lakh. So what you have to do, you have to go college site and go in career section, then you will get faculty vacancy. In that you will get one application form, you have to fill that and you have to submit till 31st January. Next college is ICFI group. They having openings for manager, finance and account officer, assistant account officer at Hyderabad campus. So here for manager, finance account officer and assistant account officer to be based at Hyderabad. Regarding eligibility, for manager finance and account, if anyone having C or CMA with 6 to 8 years of work experience in similar responsible position, they must have sound knowledge of prevailing income tax law and GST. They will be responsible for all accounting and financial matter of organization with following key responsibility: all taxation issue, finance budgeting and forecasting, cash flow, compliance with statutory matter. And second one, account officer, anyone having C or CMA with 6 years of experience and should be able to independently handle the accounting function. They will be responsible for compilation and consolidation of account, preparation, review of MIS report, must have proficiency in Excel and Tally accounting package and knowledge of income tax and GST provision. Next is assistant account officer. Candidate having BCom or MCom with 8 years of experience in similar position, handling accounting function. They should be computer savvy and well versed with Tally accounting package and MS Excel. Here will be provided salary as per qualification and experience. The last date to apply here is February 1st, 2022. You have to career.account@ikfa university.in. Next college is Gitanjali College of Engineering and Technology. They having walk-in interview on 23rd January for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science department, for computer science and engineering, AI and ML, DS, CS, IoT. In IT branch, EC, electrical electronics, SEMI, CE, FE English and mathematics department. So here professor with PhD qualification are preferable. You must have excellence in excellence in teaching will be rewarded. Professor can send their resume to info@gcet.edu.in. Interested candidate may walk in interview on 23rd January 2022 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If unable to attend walk-in interview, you have to send your resume with application with resume by email jobopening@gcet.edu.in, or you can post on above address. Next vacancy is in NIT Warangal for GRF, SRF and research analyst. For project title Metabolic Engineering of Pinchia Pastores Cell Factory for efficient valorization of food waste into citramalic acid, a biorefinery approach towards sustainable biopolymer production. This project will be sponsored by DST SERB, position JRF. It is for 2 years and number of position 1. So if you have BTech or equivalent degree in biotech or biochemical engineering, chemical engineering or life science, or BSc in biotech or life science first class, or ME MTech in biotech, biochemical engineering or chemical engineering life science, or MSc in biotech or life sciences first class with valid GATE or CSIR NET, then you can apply. Upper age limit is 28 and it is relaxable for 5 years for SC, ST and OBC women. You will get 31,000 per month emolument, and you also provided HRA and accommodation. Job nature, you have to work for the progress of project by performing experiments such as cloning and expression of heterologous gene and yeast and bacterial system, fermentation in shake, flask as well as bioreactor. Other benefit, you can enroll for PhD degree at NIT Warangal as per the institute rules. You need to apply for PhD position when the advertisement is open. So how you have to apply? You have to fill application form. You have to fill application form and send to an email ashish@nitwarangal.ac.in. Submission mode soft copy, last date 31st January. You can contact Dr. Ashish Prabhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotech, NIT Warangal, Telangana State, India. This is the contact number, ashish@nitw.ac.in. This is the application form. You can download by college site and fill it properly and send to corresponding email ID. Next vacancy is for GRF in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department. It is in IIT Hyderabad. It is also sponsored by SERB. The project title is a study of cavitation bubble induced vortex ring and bubble behavior between curved boundaries in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department. The position is GRF and minimum qualification required is ME MTech in Mechanical Engineering or equivalent specialization preferred, or BTech in Mechanical Engineering with valid GATE score. Will get provided 31,000 per month plus HRA. It is purely temporary and it is initially for 1 year, subject to renewal depending on performance up to duration of 3 years. You can enroll to PhD program if will be say admitted. The age limit will be 35 years. So eligible candidate can send their biodata to Dr. Badrinath Kari, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Hyderabad by email on or before 27 January. Shortlisted candidate will be invited for online interview, whose details will be communicated to them. No traveling or other alliances will be admissible for attending interview. Next vacancy is for technical assistant in on project title design, development and demonstration of solar PV integrated onboard and offboard electric rickshaw charging infrastructure for the period of 3 years. It will be provided salary of 20,000 and it is temporary and co-terminus with the project. You must have diploma in electrical engineering and the upper age limit for this is 50 years and relaxable for 5 years for SC/ST physically handicapped female candidate. Essential qualification diploma in electrical engineering with first division. It is in IIT BHU. You can contact on this Dr. Vivek Nandan Lal, PI Project Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT BHU. Next vacancy is in IIT Patna. They having vacancy for project manager, one post. You will be provided 8 to 12 lakh per annum plus 10% HRA. Role overall project management, finance and administration. Build a relationship with all stakeholders to monitor fund allocated to various sub-project and also monitor technical progress of these sub-projects and provide periodic reports. Minimum qualification required is BTech in CSE, EE or ME. Experience of handling large cumulative value of 10 crore and more technical projects including planning, management, execution, development and finance. Candidate with MBA from reputed institute and wide experience of handling large projects will be preferred. Work experience in IT based system, knowledge of database and ERP. It is for 2 years and can be renewed on yearly basis. Is not more than 50 years. So what you have to do, you have to send the application, CV, certificate including experience by email in prescribed format included with this advertisement and send it to by email to coe.bgpi@gmail.com on or before 29 January 2022. List of candidates shortlisted for selection process and other details of date and time will be put up on the institute website and shortlisted candidate will be informed via email also. You must mention active mobile number and email in the application form. So that's all about today's update. You must share it with your friends who want to apply like these jobs and must subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now.